Hello everyone, today I have a big project, see these tools? This is a 20-feet awning and this is what we are going to be installing in our house. And this is stucco and you need a drill, a hammer drill for this, and I've got a socket. And we have all the other tools over here and we are just trying to unpack everything. Alright guys, let's get started. So finally, after a lot of hard work, we have finished the installation and you can see this 20-foot awning hanging right over there. All right, now let's see whether it works. This is the remote and I'm going to point it over there and let's see. It's coming out pretty well. Wow, look at that. Beautiful.